Hey, have you ever wondered how to make a split screen video and have no idea how to start? Never mind, because in this video I'm going to show you how to make a cool split screen video just in minutes. Stay with me, I'll show you how. Before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my tutorials in the future. So let's dive right into it. Alright, in order to pull this off, we need either video or images. I have images in my library and you can import yours. So let's drag down the first image to the timeline, and this image we're going to use it for our background. So let's right click on it and click on crop to fit the screen, and you can expand it to the length we want. Then click on split screen, and as you can see we have many templates here that we can just drag and drop on the timeline. So let's pick one and drag and drop it on the timeline. Click on the space there, then drag the image and drop it in that box. Do the same to the other images. Then you can adjust it, drag it to the side and make sure it fits the screen. Click on that plus button to expand it, and you can move it around until you placed it correctly. Then you click on the other one, drag the image and drop it there, and just click on that plus button and use your mouse to drag it around until you capture the right place. As you can see, it has animation. So we can go to advanced, click on advanced, and it will give us more control on the animation. So right here we can change the animation if we want. Go to animation, click on it. We have animation here. Anyone you want, just click on the picture and double click on it, and it will apply to the animation. That is, if we don't want the other animation, we can always change this. So click on them one after the other, and until you get exactly what you want. So we have more of them here. So click on the image and click on that animation and it will apply, and it will apply to it automatically. Now when you're done, you click OK. But I'm gonna click cancel because I'm satisfied with the animation I already have. So we're back here to our main screen. Now the next thing we need to do is to add more split screen. It depends on how many you want. When I go back there, click on split screen and choose another template. Alright, let's drag this and add it to it. Double click on the space, drag the picture and drop it on it, and let's make some alignment right here. You can click on the plus icon to expand it. Let's drag our second image and drop it right there. Let's click on this plus icon to expand it. Okay, we use our mouse to move it around. Now let's check the animation. As you can see, there's no animation to this second one. And do you know why? Well, I'm going to show you why. Let me take you to this. Now you see this box, if you don't check it, the animation will not apply there. So for you to have animation here, you have to check that box. Let's add another template and add more of our pictures. Drag and drop it. Now let me show you one thing I did here. I'm using 6 boxes here. So drag the first one and add it there and align it. Then you drag the same image and drop it on the second box below. Then you align it, and now you have the impression of a whole picture. Meanwhile, you're using different boxes, so align it just like you're using the same picture from up down. You see, guys, you can be more creative here. So you can use your creativity and do something like that. Add as much as you want. Follow the same process until you have enough. One good thing about this is that you can integrate this into your video. It doesn't have to be like just a slideshow. It can be in a video. You watch some video and you see those split screen and you'll be wondering how it was made. This is exactly how they make it. So just continue adding until you have enough. Alright guys, now that we're done with this, we're gonna work a little bit on the background. We want to make it a little bit, blurrish. So go to effects and search for square blur. Drag and drop it right there on the image. and that gives our image a blur kind of effect. So that's how we want it for the background. Now the next thing we need to do is to add a transition. This is not necessary, but it will add more flavor to it. So go to transition. Filmora have a lot of transition, so you don't have to be precise, here. I'll just go through it randomly, drag and drop those transition in between the two images or those templates one after the other. So you can double click on it, test it. If it's something you want, you drag it and drop it. If it's not, you change it. Just take your time, go through it, go randomly, pick and drop, double click on the transition and go to setting so that you can reduce the duration to how short or long you want it to be. And you can apply it to all of them by clicking apply to all. To apply to all. And now we're done with all the transition, as you can see right here. So let's preview it and see what we have. Wow, isn't it interesting? So if we like, we can add kind of music to it, kind of background music to it. Drag and drop it on the last track on the timeline. Well, we can also add text to our video. Then go to title, drag and drop one on the timeline. Double click on it and make modification to the text. You can write whatever you want, align it wherever you want, and you can duplicate that several times. Well, as you can see, our split screen video is ready. So let's preview it. And if we're satisfied with what we have, we can click on the export button to render our video. So guys, this is the end of our tutorial. I hope you enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe in case this is your first time on this channel. We appreciate it. And guys, you can also support me on Patreon. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.